16th of March 2021, a passing out parade of the 71 unarmed security guard trainees who have passed out their 2 full months of training from Bosco Pinar Juwai under the unique ex-servicemen security agency license number 4 that has its headquarters in Langkawi, Shillong, with Sri R.A. Marak as its managing director was held. Shri Himayatun Khan was the chief guest and Shri Bikram D. Marak, SP, was the guest of honor. Other special invited guests were Reverend Father James Thimyang, SDB, Provincial Economer INS, and Shri Persem Suchen, Wahedong of Salini Colony, Mimintadu, in the presence of parents, guardians, and friends of the trainees. 10 trainees received different awards like Best Discipline, Best in Drill, Best Entertainer, Best in Marching, Best Contingent, Overall Best Trainee, etc. In his speech, Father James Thimyang congratulated the organizers, unique ex-servicemen security agency, for choosing Bosco Pinar to conduct the unarmed security guard training, where many young boys and girls of the region could get themselves trained and get a better job later in their lives. Shri Bikram D. Marak, the SP, congratulated the trainees who had just received their certificates. He also encouraged the trainees to keep working hard and to keep on proving themselves to be better and best by day in their lives. Shri Himayatun Khan, highly appreciative of the performance of the trainees boys and girls during the Kasam parade, passing out ceremony reminded the youngsters that their life is precious. They should not foolishly play with their lives. The training that have just completed is a boon for them for their better future. In the second half of the program, the Jawans performed various items like songs and dances, which are very inspirational and patriotic in nature.
Given the best, the last but not the least, my good wishes to all the recruits in the coming days, and I'm sure some of you might be coming to Meghalaya Police also, because in the days to come there are many recruitment which are coming, and since this is a stepping stone for you, it will be easy for you when you go for the recruitment in our department also. So take it as a challenge. I assure you, once you have stepped into this first step, the next step will be very easy. But only thing is that you should maintain yourself. Thank you.
I welcome all of you to the passing out of parade ceremony for the unarmed private security guards. And I would like to share my thoughts to all the students that an oath is a very serious thing. It is more than a promise or a contract. It is your very words from your heart. It is a statement made from your very being, and to break an oath is to break faith with your own self. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you to stand up for the oath taking. Please raise your right hands and repeat after me. I, appointed as a security guard with unique ex-servicemen, security agency, do solemnly swear that I will perform my employer and my agency. I will conduct myself of my role protecting life and property of the organization to which I am assigned. I will faithfully discharge the duties of the organization upon which I am about to enter.
Mentah kapoi kapor bengin koi saka item ke beningkong kata gelong kajing ruai ban ai pat jeni dai samla everlasting muksong bat ka group jongpi bakani kajing ruai kalong kum kadak kesin bagi ai keblai
chap ego apply kan rat ya luti VPV chamlang kamni ni kapor dewe kuplay buskupnar organization program.
In fact, it's an honor to have you here as speaker and your words.
Jangka unique ex-servicemen security agency napdeng kini ki asli ki platoon bayo aga training platoon jangki number 1 Kishanrang platoon number 2 hikinthai kilayo ya jingjop bangakhot ya captain na ka platoon number 2 banwanshim ya kini ka kusnam nai managing director jangpi bajam
Buskupnar Training Center, rengkarbat ki staff, ki students, kapdiang buram ye pi baro, syakane kejaka. But hakar tengjong ke unique ex-servicemen security agency, ngai kublay, but pdiang buram ye pi syakane program. Kadai kijing job, namar ba, kijing treshi tom, jong pi ki staff, rengkat berkini trainees bat ngilala ban pendon kam ya kene kasngi kasngi jong ke job
apa ka jing pet jong kini penyat hakine ki arbnai training jangu layo ya ka award best conduct na ka platoon number 1 ingir part yu ban sim ya khusnam jong phi Jawan Damut Lang Sedap, Hajing Pet, Hagni ki Armai Training, Jangka Unique Ex-Servicemen Security Agency, Layo ya kusnam Best in Entertainment. Dengan part you berwan sim ya kusnam jangpi. Kakusnam kababut Bolongki Suchiang Ilayo ya ka award Best Conduct na ka platoon number 2. Play Ifara James Sunyang Ibalai to Kusna.
I am very happy to be here, as brother has said, because of the love that I have for Boskopnar and also for the young people, and especially to be part of your program today as you are completing your training. Idon ka thong ka bakrau kam tam na ka banta ka jingbha jong ki samla. Congratulations. It's the first time that I have seen the security training that is really good, that is really worth mentioning.
सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। एक खूबसूरत लड़की की एक उसको देख के राइफलमैन चिंदी खींचना भूल गया, चिंदी खींचना भूल गया। हवलदार मेजर देख लिया, हवलदार मेजर देख लिया, उसको पिट्ठू लगाया, उसको पिट्ठू लगाया। बल्लूराम एक सिपाही था, बल्लूराम एक सिपाही था, जापान वार में मर गया, जापान वार में मर गया। क्वार्टर मास्टर स्मार्ट था, क्वार्टर मास्टर स्मार्ट था, उसने राशन निकाला, उसने राशन निकाला। बल्लूराम